Welcome! In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to rename your device. To do it, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System Settings. Scroll down to the About section, open it, and here you'll have the Rename this device button next to your laptop's name. Click on it and then input your device name in the following fields. Once you renamed your device, click Next. Okay. Input the name without space bars and then click Restart Now to change your device name. Once your device is restarted, the name will be changed. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.